Hemi. I'm here at this cars versus bikes, man. HT, we done pulled up on it. I'm gonna let y'all see these whips. We gonna get it popping, man. Get it popping. Yes, sir. You see how we start off, big HT. My boy Pat. New decal. You better follow your boy, subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. The gang over here, we gonna make our way around, though. This is hard. That's hard. Ooh, that's tough. Yeah,
it's like, come on.
Sounded badass, bro. That's all I needed. I was like, yeah, this is.
Mine feels like the sound from like you're standing on the outside of the door. I don't feel like you're standing on the outside.
Banana yellow. Banana yellow. Well, y'all see, man, with the bikes up here. This is cars versus bikes in Lombard, man. Club out here. Somebody wants to pull up, so we here, man. You know we gonna pull up on them. But the bikes out here heavy, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see them. Got some on this side, the gang on this side. Tally gang. Here go gang shit right here. B92. Y'all seen this in the last video. Boy, Lou. There go Mr. Illegal U-turns right here. That's Mr. Illegal U-turn right there.
There's no sign, dude. No sign. The rest of the cars are gonna have like basic information. Every center.
Right there. What's going on with you?
We got
my boy Pep.
What up? What up?
Pulled up on him. We out here. Whole lot of gang shit, man. Dave's ass just pulled up.
took the white off and the Mac got matte black on it now.
Yeah, sir. Some sauce, fam. Look at his ass. With goddamn Subaru slippers on. I'm on his ass. You park? Hell no. That motherfucker big as hell. Yes, sir. I know where he going with that big motherfucker. As long as he don't hit my shit, goddamn it.
tried to tell some of the leaders to disseminate that down to the guys attending and all that. I know some guys here are just like, you know, just like to show up and show off your stuff, or you guys only race privately or whatever. Chicago United does this on a weekly basis. We do it a couple of times a week. We go out here, we mass up on the streets, we take this shit over, and we do whatever we want. We race, we stunt, we drift, we do all that shit, and nobody fucking stops us. You guys are welcome to come with us and do that shit tonight. We'll protect you. All these bikes over here, the cops don't fuck with us. The cops don't mess with us. The cops don't try to stop us or anything. You guys are going to be indoctrinated in. You guys are going to be brought into our formation, and you're going to be a part of that tonight. Now, what Matt, you want to talk about how it's going to go, the order of it?
Yeah. So what this is about, like, show of hands. Who's interested? That's a car guy. Interested in doing like some controlled rolling pulls in the front of the formation with some bikes, like second or third gear pulls.
This formation has stunters in it, so the whole formation's going to roll down. We don't know yet. Either it's 90 or 55 at like 40 miles an hour. What that allows some of you guys to do, only a select few of you guys can jump out in front of the stunners, and you guys could go do some pulls with some of our fast bikes. We got some Boostas, we got some V-Kings, but you guys need to go through us if you want to be one of those front guys doing pulls. Because we got to have control of it, and those few guys, I'm talking about 3, 4, maybe 5 guys, maybe top.
Who's interested? Show of hands that wants to do some pulls.
Okay.
All right.
Everybody do some pulls. Shut the fuck up. Get out of here. All right. We'll find the crowd. Any interest? You guys want to come out front, do some pulls with some of the bikes? You go? What you got? Okay.
Well, you're on the bike, so.
Everybody who's not interested in the pulls, we will brief you guys when we brief the bikes too. We'll do one big brief. Everybody who's not interested in doing pulls out in the front, you guys get to go back to whatever you were doing. What do you got? I just need the guys who want to do pulls out the front. Thank you guys.
All right, so y'all heard that shit. This finna get real out here. Free smoke. We still out here doing what we do, man. We got the light shows going out here now. You know I had to pop mine. Light shows out here now. Be heavy. About to start this cruise in a second, man. Gonna be out here doing these pulls and shit. Finna get busy, nigga. Got my boy Lou with his taser on. Yo! Motherfuckers out here cutting up. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Because it was on backward.
I don't see it, man.
You give me a free American.
Hold on.
I got you.
Yes, sir. Get all that.
Leaving that water like Michael Phelps. Keep letting that lead burst. He just want bodies under his belt. Pills got his mind twisted. He ain't acting like it's so. They don't know what's on his side. Bitch, I'm high rich. They like me. And I got on CC. I just hit a whole CC. Yesterday by BP. Now it don't make no sense. Big HT in the building. Will came to see the cars, man.
Well, we got a little mix of everybody, so.
He came to see the cars, man. Yes, sir. Love.